In this video, I will explain how to add roles to users in bulk. You want to get a list of employees that you want to add these roles or roles to. So list employees. In my case, I'm just going to add one role to all the users. So I'm just going to get a CSV dump of those users. The next thing I'm going to do is go to Setup, Import, Export, and Import CSV records. Next, I'm going to select Employees as my record type, and then as my import type, and my record type will be Employees. It's a CSV already, so I don't need to worry about that. And I'm going to select my employees. Okay, so there's my CSV of employees. The next thing, I'm going next, and then I'm going to click on update. So in this case, you're doing an update, not an add. And I go next. And the first thing here that we want to map to is obviously the internal ID. And the next thing we want to do is scroll down and click on roles. Okay, then you go to roles 1 and you select that one. So if there was more than one role, you can always just click on that plus icon over here and it will add role 2 in here. So you can see you can actually map more than one role to the user using this function. And if you had your role in your CSV, you can just map to it. So in my case, I'm hard coding this role. And I'm going to select the Netsuite implementation team. Okay, once I click on the Netsuite implementation team, you will then now notice that my mapping is complete and I can click on next. In this case, I'm not going to save my import. You might as well. In your case, you can just call it employee update. And then you can click on save and run. That will now go and update all your employees with that role. Okay, now let's view the status of this. Okay, it's 4%, and then you will wait until it reaches a 100%. The next thing you want to do is actually go and view and see if this changes were made, is by going to the employees and going under Access tab and checking out the employee to see if the update was successful. That's it.